That's right, fellas. We're starting the vlog here with Tata while she eats upside down in her brand new house. Look at that.
That's her lady bits, by the way.
Oh, I know. Don't worry about that. I've seen that. Guys, we gotta run because my dude Bradley Martyn, saw the truck and couldn't help himself. I know he was looking at the red Raptor before that we saw at Galpin. So he hit me up and said, hey man, I'm gonna be at Galpin. I said, hey man, I'll fucking see you there. So see you guys there. Guys, no one will ever understand truck life is amazing. I don't know what it is about like having a truck with all these options and things that people put on it. It's delicious.
And it's meant to get dirty. That's the best thing
That's
about
the best
it.
thing
Like,
about
you
it.
just
It's
throw
a
your
toy.
crap in here.
Do you remember when you were a kid and didn't give a fuck about what you did with your toys and threw it in the mud and whatever? This is it, and that's forgetting.
I can't believe it's here.
I know. Ivan, we missed you.
I've seen you guys more this week than my wife and my kids. For real.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah.
How are you, dude?
I'm doing great.
Are you looking at the Raptor?
Yep.
By the way,
On it.
I don't know if you know this, but it's your fault.
Why?
It is your fault I bought my car. You know that, right? It is your fault, directly your fault.
It's your fault I want to buy this because I saw you put this in the vlog and then you made me see it again. I wanted it.
I only came to see it because you posted it at first,
then
and
you
I
bought
came
two.
back. I ended up with 2 trucks. So there you go. Thank you.
We'll
Thank
be
you.
buddies now because I'm gonna get this one.
Oh, but this is the dopest of the dopest.
Stealth Fighter. I wish
Yeah.
it said Street Fighter though.
We can change it. We can change it. Damn. Hey, and also, you are the right guy to own this. Like the muscle behind everything around it is just. There you go. There you go. That does make sense. That does make sense. Oh, Tommy, Bradley, Tommy. Tommy's the main guy at gas. He's Tommy. He's the king, the one that you'll make your request and he'll make it happen. I'm gonna let Tommy work now.
What do you think about completely customizing the Explorer?
Hang on, but you'd have to do it like a cup car. You know that, right?
I would want it like
Such a dicky move because everyone in their
I always complain too when people do that.
I would want it off-road. Like what?
Okay.
What if we put the lights up top?
No, you can totally do it.
Rack up here, have the steps come down like this, but have it on a hinge so that.
Can I tell you something? This is one of the most badass trucks Ford makes.
Yeah.
Once they became cup cars and you see the black ones with the lights on top and the stealth ones, but you need to get it in black.
Oh, I absolutely would.
Okay.
I would go stealth black on this.
Do you like the wheels? I really like them.
These are aftermarket from Gas.
Yeah.
Gas already did these. These are too low profile. I would actually, like, if I'm gonna do the
You want like a
I
proper
would do some
tire?
off-road tires.
Okay.
And I haven't seen many people put off-road stuff on Explorer.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's not many people. There's not many people doing it. You know?
Do you guys enjoy how our buying car saga also got into Bradley's?
It's just like we're all walking around like looking for cars and
different cars.
accessories. And,
Look at this. I know that this is a very basic feature for me and Farshaw.
No. It's not a basic feature.
But it is for like minivans and things that you see now. But you have a stow option. So
Watch
right
this,
here
watch.
you have all your things. So right now it's on right hand. So I'm gonna put it on both. You just hit stow.
And they just come down?
Hold on. Just wait. It's not just that.
By the way, the fancy cars don't have this shit. No,
they flip
get
backwards.
out of here.
And completely disappear. There you go.
Holy shit, I had no idea. See, this is why we can't keep our eyes closed to things that we think are not going to be up to par, because some of these just have way better options than,
But what if we-
really expensive
But
cars.
what if we got Gas to customize that system where it actually flips where the seats are the opposite way?
Are you insane? If I had Gas do this, I'd have a mini bar come out. What we're about to show you guys, they only show it when you buy Aston Martins.
Oh, yeah?
So they're gonna open the doors for us, knowing that we're the low budget Aston Martin shopping. Can we go there? Can we go to the vault? You gotta check out the vault. Let's do it. Let's go.
What is that?
That's a Continental. This is the new school of Lincoln. Although this is not the newest.
That's pretty as fuck though. Oh, I've legit never even seen this car.
Hang on a second. Don't look at these. I want to show you a proper Lincoln. Let me get a Navigator.
Okay.
Because they took like a step forward, like the size of the universe. It's crazy. Following you, Ivan, to the vault.
So, if you buy an Aston, you get one of these, and it gives you access to this. So this is the waiting area when you have an Aston.
Whoa!
And you see all the forged carbon fiber?
I feel like 007 when I pulled in here.
Boom.
Wait a sec.
You actually fit in there, no problem. Damn, you even look handsome and shit in there.
More handsome than I got.
I love that he goes more. Do you not love coming to the vault for that reason?
I had no idea it was here. You know, one of the best things in life I said it. When people have money and they actually buy cool shit.
Yeah.
Like, whoever owns this was smart, was like, I'm gonna make a dope room and had this crazy idea, but it's dope as hell.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it.
To me, it's a huge selling point. If I'm buying an Aston, I'm definitely coming here just for this shit alone. Swear to God, I'm a simple guy. I just need the fanciest things in the world.
They have a version of this color that has crushed glass on the paint. So when you drive it and you hit it with the light over the sun, it just
whoosh, like
the next level pro, like how pro normally works, because it's like literally finely ground glass, so it just glitters, like kind of like the Hollywood.
Yeah. How much is that?
16 grand.
That's not that bad. I mean, I know that we say that's not that bad, considering that Rolls-Royce is selling you a two-tone, shitty-ass paint job with nothing special in it for 33 grand on their Phantoms. That's not that bad. Deals. This is what you made me buy.
Look, no. Yeah, so
Hang on. Let me get the remote.
Yeah, look.
Boom. This is what you made me get.
Oh, look at Whoa.
This is what people's face looks like when you turn on the lights from above. You guys ready? No, don't hide. I get a lot of shit for not testing out my stuff properly, so please give it a shot. Yeah. Holy shit.
Proof, for sure.
Here, hold on.
There he goes, Ivan, hang on.
Nah.
Forget you getting a freebie?
Is it, Tommy, is this on you?
Thank you. Hey, Tommy, you don't have to be nice to Farshad. Don't worry about it.
I like it.
I know. Unfortunately, that's all of our problems. Oh, nice.
Yeah, we have to watch out for
Nice. Bargini, what are you getting?
Let's see what Bradley gets.
We got what he gets. What are you gonna get? Tea.
Nice. So you're gonna get tea bag too? Are you gonna get
That's
tea
why
bag
I'm gonna
too?
follow him. That's what I'm showing. Okay, so whatever you get, brother, I'm gonna get. Too much sugar. Yeah, let's go sugar here. Water, bro. Water and cold, yeah? Is that cold?
You like a cold water, or what about a refresher?
No, I can't do a refresher in front of him.
You do a refresher in front of him.
Do you think Bradley would arm
Show your dominance, Farshad.
Do you think Bradley would arm wrestle me? You want to arm wrestle me?
Look at that. Oh, you would get destroyed, dude.
Why would you say that out loud? Why would you say that out loud?
Hey, he was going like for real crazy with female bodybuilders. Oh, what? Farshad's that strong? No way!
Why do you think that? You beat a female bodybuilder?
Good for you, man. Good for you.
I like Kevin's reaction way better.
He said, "Good for you, man."
Yeah, I know.
Proud of yourself.
I know.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Getting ready.
Why is that?
What does that have to do with it?
What does that have to do with getting ready, bro? So you don't cramp up?
Are you-
Like a potassium thing?
Are you?
You didn't know about
Are you ready? I have no idea. Good luck with everything.
Manchester Waller. Cause you?
Yeah. So Fargini, we went
That's
to.
your secret. Any female bodybuilder wants to get some, come get some. Right here.
Female bodybuilder.
Female bodybuilders.
This is, by the way, Farshad's gonna show you who he's gonna wrestle. It's a female bodybuilder.
You gonna do this? No, don't do it. Don't do that. No.
Show Ivan.
You gonna what?
We're gonna wrestle.
No. Arm wrestle or wrestle?
No, wrestle. In oil and everything.
Oh my god.
You're gonna wear the same.
No, he can't wear the same thing.
You gonna have the chains like that too? You don't want to see it. It would violate YouTube rules if I took my shirt off.
No, it would violate the world, the UN rules.
Everyone's eyes watching. I may need some help training for this wrestling. I got you, bro.
There you go.
The weirdest thing I probably ever trained before, but I'll try.
Get ready. Hey, get ready.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Sounds like a beautiful lunch at Chipotle.
It's
10 speed, right?
It is. Yeah.
Is it 10 speed?
Yeah.
ZF10.
They keep adding more and more speeds. We don't know why.
Next year is gonna be 13. If you don't want all 10, can we work something out? Maybe they don't give you all 10. Maybe just get like 7 or 8. Like, is that possible?
Get a discount.
Is that possible?
I'll take. I just need 6.
Give me 6 and give the 4 to them. Oh yeah. Oh, Bradley, can I have a couple?
So you just gotta give me, a couple,
Trading gears.
few thousand, and then we'll call it.
It's the new show, Trading Gears. By the way, this is the most internationally open,
Diverse cast ever.
test drive ever. You got like,
We got a little bit of everything. And we still have a white guy, which is the most valuable thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say. By the way, if a cop sees us, they're gonna pull us over to ask him if he's okay.
Yeah, of course.
You hear that spool? Man.
It's so extra. I love it.
And Bradley, it gets great fuel economy.
It does. Really good.
It honestly does.
Better than your G-Wagon, though.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Better
Yeah.
than your G-Wagon.
Yeah,
So
no
you'll be
question
saving
about
money,
it.
bro.
You swear to God?
Yeah, swear to God.
You'll be
Swear
saving
to God.
money.
By a lot. Not even by a
It
little.
makes sense.
By a lot.
You're serious?
Yeah.
Instead of like 9 miles a gallon, it'll get 11 miles a gallon.
No.
That's a big difference.
I'm sorry, we're just looking at the mystery machine now, Farghini. Do you love this? I would love to get stoned in that. I really do. I hope Tommy didn't hear me.
Tommy, is this a 25 window? Or whatever.
Allow me to count the windows. 21. Is that 21?
It's official. It's a 20. I don't even know what that means yet.
Fluffy's the one that was teaching us everything about these cars. Now I have no idea.
When you see the back corner window here, that's when you know it's a 23. So you see the windows on top and that back corner. This is a 23.
This is the most?
Yeah, this is the most.
So it comes in different ones. It comes in panel van, 11 window, 13 window, 15 window, 21 window, and 23.
Look at Scooby-Doo, he looked like he was fucked up.
And this one's the 4th Mustang ever made GT off the production line.
The 4th?
4th.
So you can see it in the numbers, 004. Holy
Normally
crap.
it's 1 piece. This is
2 pieces.
Gives it that whole like GT500, GT250 look.
Is that stock? No, you
It
guys.
is, but you have to order this package on it, and this package is ordered. So you see the 2-tone interior. They referred to this as the 50th anniversary package.
This is beautiful. This is brand new?
Brand new. It's up for sale if anyone wants it.
I see you, Tommy.
Hey.
Jesus Christ. Dude, I want to have some rough sex in this.
No clearance, dude.
You remember Elvira?
Yeah, of course.
Yours truly, Elvira. The gal with the enormous ratings.
Do you know how many times actually, never mind.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Say without her, I wouldn't have a sex life as a teen.
Wow. Damn, what kind of? Is that really the exhaust?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Yep.
Wait, how do you?
No, you can't drive this. No. You can't sit on it, Farshad.
You don't sit like that. You don't sit on that.
Go like this.
Wait, let me see that again. One more time.
Wow.
There you go. The special event.
Is that how you do it? Is that how one shines their balls?
That's also how you churn butter.
Holy shit, the sound system. You guys see how everything shakes?
Hey, you're about to feel sound. It's a
like you feel it.
He'll feel it sooner than you'll feel it.
Yeah, because he's got less older.
What do you mean? Look at this.
He'll hear it sooner.
Actually, don't do it. It might break you in half.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro.
I'm gonna piece of paper right here.
Oh my God.
It's like pressure from the air everywhere.
Bradley, so the arm wrestling for another time with Farghini.
Hey, Bradley, hold on. Hey, I ain't fucking around, Bradley. You don't have to get that close to me. We're just.
Look at Farshad just backing up.
So I'm gonna take this really serious, okay? Okay.
He's gonna do like 5 push-ups a day, and then see you.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
All right, let's roll. Farghini, you can stop doing that now. No, you can stop doing it. Yeah, he's gone. There you go.
See how close he was getting to me?
So today's Rodrigo's birthday. Oh shit, my hat. All right, whatever. Today's Rodrigo's birthday, and we brought him out to lunch to his favorite Lebanese spot, but not before I fuck with him. Farghini, can you hold this for me?
Yeah, here.
Here he goes. Let me know when he's ready. Ready?
Go for it.
Are we getting him?
Yeah.
This is the greatest truck ever made.
It was so much fun.
Period. Oh God.
By the way, I hate you for me not being able to get it.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I did ask you if you wanted it. This is yours.